Hi Aries, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 24th of August till 30th of August, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, so let's see what is there for my Aries for this week from 24th to 30th of August. Please, let's see now. Let's see what is there. Okay, 3 shuffles. So I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. Okay, let's see now. Okay, so at the back of the deck it's the 10 of cups over here. So this is like, happy families, reunions, like good quantity of quantity of time spent together with your family, something like that I'm seeing. What else is there, we'll see. Okay, so your past energies are the Lover, 7 of Pentacles and the Hermit. So over here I can see that in your past energies, there was a decision to be which was made, all right, and it took already a lot of time. You were waiting for that decision to be made by you or by someone else. So this can be anyone, because I'm seeing that with the Hermit over here. So this is very slow energy where you just wait for a particular thing, any decision or any such thing. This can be anything in regards with your work, career as well, I'm seeing. And it is more about, like, while you were waiting, you were also analyzing your life. Basically you were working on your life with the Lovers as well. I'm seeing that if it is a situation with love, so you know that there was something, there is at the back of your mind, you are involved with that person. If you're not talking to that person, but you know that there is a person and you're thinking, but you're also, while waiting for that particular thing, you're also doing your work. So you're also doing some soul searching, you are also meditating, you are also going deep within yourself, basically finding answers for this life you were doing. Your present energies are Queen of Swords, 6 of Pentacles and 3 of Cups. So presently I'm seeing a lot of movement is happening, because in the past it was not a movement because of Pentacles, the Hermit as well. So I'm seeing movement has started, because somebody might have offered you something, or might have just said hi to you, or something, like something is there. Somebody just did some movement where, with the 6 of Pentacles, see how this person is initiating, is giving a coin to this lady, poor lady. So where you are waiting for something to come to you, and damn, it just happens. So I'm seeing with that reunion as well. But with all these things, there's with this Queen of Swords, like, there's a why. Like, why why did you take a lot of time, like, coming to me? Like, there's, like, after such a long time now, really. So this is like that energy I'm getting. So in your future energies, I'm seeing Knight of Swords, 3 of Rods and Page of Rods. See, a lot of actions are to be taken in your future energies, because in your past, what I'm seeing, wait, thinkings and all that stuff, all your thinking, that is just inside you. In your present, a little approach, a little something, little talking, but the actions which are going to be taken are, I'm seeing that in future. With the Knight of Swords, 3 of Rods and Page of Rods, I'm seeing that somebody is taking an action out of haste. With the Knight of Swords and with the Page of Rods, it's an action which is just a clumsy action, you can say, where someone is taking some kind of an action over here. Might be you, might be other person, but after such a long wait, now okay, I have waited for this thing. Okay, let's go for it, and not analyzing, not researching on that thing. So we are going to clarify what it actually means. All right, so let's see why is the 10 of cups over here in the overall energy for my Aries, please. Queen of Pentacles is here. Okay, so this might be a work situation over here. The Fool. All right, and what else do we have? Do we have anything else? And Knight of Cups. Okay, so I'm getting this energy where you just want to take a step. You want a happy family, you want a time, you just want to enjoy a particular time. You want to be here and you want to enjoy that time with whomsoever you are. With the Queen of Pentacles and 10 of Cups, this is a sign of maturity. This is a sign of being someone who is very stable, who is very calm, who knows when to take a decision, who just do not take a decision out of a haste. But with that thing, you are like, okay, so I'm ready to start something new. But being with the Fool card coming up over here, I'm seeing that this might be a leap of faith. Okay, so where you are seeing a lot of good stuff over there, and you are like, oh wow, this is the happy family for which I was waiting for from a long time, and now when it is coming towards me, why shouldn't I go towards that as well? Because it is looking very sweet, very charming, very passionate, very loving. Okay, so you really want to go. So that is your energy basically, because your past energies were so slow that you were just thinking, you were not doing anything, because might be this was in June, July, and June, July was really a tough time for many of the people, including me as well. So it was a time where people were taking decisions, not exactly taking decisions, doing nothing because of because of the slowness, and because of the new moon and full moon as well, which came in the Cancer season, if you know. So this is something which was actually, the emotions of people were like, oh my god, what I'm doing, why is my life going this way, so harsh, so ups and downs. So this kind of an energy was there. So that is why now it's the time with the August season, with this loving strength, with this self-love kind of energy, everything is coming to change, and that is why I'm seeing a lot of changes coming in your life. Okay, so let's see why the Lovers is here in your past energies. Why the Lovers is here? Knight of Pentacles. See, so much of slow energies, like just waiting for some kind of a decision to be made, or waiting for someone else to take an action. With the 9 of Pentacles, even I'm seeing that this is a very independent, very beautiful energy. With the 9 of Pentacles, it is like single and independent and self love, and doing all the self work which you need to do. So this is that kind of an energy. But I'm seeing that this was also a very slow progress, where you were not even giving time to yourself. With the Knight of Pentacles and the and the 9 of Pentacles, I'm seeing, yes, so this was like, I don't have time for anything right now. That is what I'm seeing over here. Let's see why the Hermit is here in your past energies. Why the Hermit is here? 3 of Wands and 10 of Swords. All right, so this means that for some of you, you were even waiting for an ending, so that you can start new things in your life. See, with the 10 of Swords, I know 10 of Swords is bad, but it's not so bad, because after this 10 of Swords, there's a chance to start something new. But this is the end of that particular thing. If you were like, okay, I really want to end this particular thing, So that is why I'm seeing that you are waiting for that thing, but to start something else, to start something new, not to be with that. So that was your past, and you really want that, you really wanted at that time. So let it be my past. Please do not, I don't want to carry it in my present as well as in my future energy. So that is why I'm seeing that you were really waiting for that particular ending, whatever this was. Let's see why this Queen of Swords is here in your present. So Page of Swords is here with the 9 of Wands. Alright, so this is telling me that, you know, there is some kind of a stalker in your life right now who is actually stalking you, or might have blocked you, or you might have blocked that other person. Somebody, there is someone who is really keeping an eye on you, but it's like you don't want this person, because this, like, you know, someone is actually someone wants to take an action, but it's a no from your side. You are standing on your grounds. I know you are tired because of all those past energies. I'm seeing that, you know, you are waiting for that thing from a long time, for that thing to end, or just wanted to clarify that if we really want to end this stuff, so please, at least, can we talk? So this is that energy, and you are not able to talk, you were not able to do anything. You just were waiting and waiting, no talks, no ending. What is going on? So when in present it's happening, so it's like that you are very fixed right now. You are very fixed. You are like, no, now I'm the Queen of Swords. If the things were not good in the past, how can I see those things really good in the present? All right, so this is that energy. Yeah, so someone wants to take an action over here, but someone else is not ready with the Ace of Cups. So this action might be, you know, to start something new with this particular person, but I'm seeing a no from your side, or might be a no from their side. So this can be either of you. It's you who will decide that. Okay, so that is why I'm seeing that, you know, somebody is like, I'm ready to meet you, I'm ready to talk to you, with the Three of Cups. Well, let's meet, let's plan something, and I really want to give you this Pentacle of Love, or this offer. Please, can you accept that offer? But it's a no from your side, I'm seeing. Okay, so let's see why is this Knight of Swords in your past energies. Wheel of Fortune. So things are really changing, and actually what is happening is the things are changing fast. Okay, why is this Wheel of Fortune here? The Devil. All right, so you know, I'm seeing that you are attracting some kind of an energy, but this is something different. It's like, it might not be you, because I'm not seeing that this is a lot of your energy, like you are taking some kind of an action. It's like the person whom you were dealing with in your past energies. With the Devil, I'm seeing that, you know, and with the Wheel of Fortune, like, the bad things are coming to an end, because the wheel is now turning on your side. You know, the addictions, the bad stuff, might be dealing with a Capricorn over here, but this is more of an action which you are not taking. This is an action which the other person is taking, and that the other person or something, whatever this particular thing is, whatever situation is this, you know, if you are, because I'm seeing that you have ended this stuff, and if it is actually coming up again in your life, so you know, you have dealt with that, and you know that this thing does not serve me right, and your energies are Queen of Pentacles and the Fool. All you want is new things in your life, all you want is happiness in your life. You don't want to deal with the other shit in your life. No. Let's see why the Page of Rods is here. Why the Page of Rods is here. Eight of Cups. See, you are moving out. I told you, like, it's not you who are actually going to wait for this stuff. It is the other person now who is waiting. You know, so this is like wheel is turning on your side. Everything is changing basically. Okay, so earth is rotating, you know that. So I'm really feeling that it's not you who is waiting now, because your wait is over. It's the other person, or now it's the time for other person or other thing to wait for you. No, you are moving out. No. Yeah. So that's all, Aries. That's all from my side. I hope it helps, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.